New video footage shared on Russian military Telegram channels is claimed to show mass production of Iranian-designed Shahed drones inside Russia. The Shahed 136 is an Iranian-made loitering ammunition, also called suicide or kamikaze drone, developed and manufactured by Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company, HESA. The company was established in 1976. It belongs to the Iran Aviation Industries Organization, IAIO, and is located at Shahin Shah, Isfahan. The original factory, built by Textron, was to produce Bell 214s of different configurations in Iran, with a deal that involved several hundred helicopters and technology transfers. The drone is designed to conduct ground attacks. The Shahed 136 is not only a suicide drone, and according to pictures released by Iranian media, Iran has also created a new way to launch the drones in a kind of multiple launch or drone swarming format. Drone swarms are a new technology whereby multiple drones are used to strike targets. The drone was unveiled in 2021 and is now used by the Russian army in Ukraine. The Shahed attack started in September 2022, and at that point the drones were imported directly from Iran. Later, Russia began to assemble Shaheds, known as germanium, in their own facility, with plans to produce them entirely locally. Over the past 18 months we have seen a steady progression, as captured Shaheds have turned up with increasing amounts of Russian components and new bodies apparently built in Russia. Last August, intelligence sources identified a giant factory site which was being turned over to Shahed production. The facility, located in the Alabuga Special Economic Zone in Tatarstan in central Russia, ultimately aims to produce more than 1,600 Shaheds a month. However, it should be noted that the body shells of the Shahed are the easiest part to mass produce. Everything else is more complex and more challenging to source, including the engine, and in particular, the electronics. Previous analyses have shown that the Shaheds, like many of the other weapons used by Russia, are heavily reliant on imported electronics, with a recent study finding components from the US, China, and Switzerland. Sourcing these parts may be increasingly challenging. The Russian-made version of the Shahed uses the Kometa jam-resistant satellite navigation module. This appears to be made in Russia, but it is not known how many Russia can actually produce. Last July we were treated to a similar display with a TV documentary showing Zala CEO Alexander Zakharov touring a new facility producing Lancet tactical kamikaze drones. Again, hundreds of drone bodies were on display, and Zakharov talked about a massive increase in production.